Hello everybody and welcome to this week's video in the Rest of Saga Classic Car Restoration channel. As you can see, the Morris Minor is in the garage having a bit of work done on the front suspension. As you may know, recently I put polyurethane bushes in the rear suspension of the MGB GT, and I am now doing that at the front suspension of the Morris Minor. Now, I'm halfway through this job, and I thought I'd give you a look and see what I'm up to. That is one of the problem areas. So that is the bush on the eye bolt on the front of the torsion bar, which is marked with tip X. I'm just tapping the back end of the wishbone back a minute. That is more of the bush. These really are pretty shabby. To put it in perspective, these were only put in 3 years ago. The car's probably done in about 1,500 miles of light driving, and they're ruined. I don't know if it comes up very well in the light, but I've just put polyurethane ones in the top link there. That was easy enough done. I'm struggling a wee bit to get the back half of the wishbone here tapped back, but once that's done, sorry about the weather, once that's done, these will be going in. Now, when I restored this, I did put polyurethane ones in the front of the tie bars, so those won't be needed. But these red ones will go on the eye bolt, and these blue ones go in the top link. Just jammed a pair of pliers in there to keep the hub up out of the way. As you might have noticed in previous videos, this Morris Minor sits a wee bit nose down, so I'm going to take this opportunity to move it down a spline, which will lift the front of the car by 1.25 inches, and then I can use the adjuster panel in there to maybe drop it. I don't quite think I need 1.25 inches lift, but I can maybe drop it by 1/2 inch at the back, so that'll be 3/4 inch, which I think should be plenty. I'll move around the other side here and you can have a look. Sorry about the weather here, folks, it's awful today. So this side hasn't been started yet, but as I'm sure those of you who know Morris Minors, in here is where I need to be. So the wishbone comes apart, take the tie bar off, tap back, that's back half of the wishbone, and go from there. As you can see, this car hasn't really had too much wear and tear. It's a mild steel exhaust and hasn't got a drop of rust on it. All very well undercoated with stone chip and also with wax oil. This bush here is the rubber one, so that'll be coming out as well. There's a lot of clunking on this side, so I suspect the bush is worse on this side. Otherwise, engine bay, not much work to be done here. Thinking of updating this to an electronic fuel pump, but I'll keep you posted on that. I'm also going to service this car while I have it here. So I've got new plugs booked or ordered, and yes, it's a non-original oil filter, but it's the only one that would fit in against the chassis leg, so I've got a new one of those. It should be an easy enough fit. Maybe tidy up the horn there when I'm at it and top up any oil in the dampers that needs topped up. Other little things, this is a tax disc for our non-UK viewers. Got a really good reproduction one. If you message me, I can get you the details of this guy. Brilliant reproduction, correct for, this is a Belfast car, and correct for the year of manufacture, so that's a really nice wee detail on a nice period, if I can show you. A nice period tax disc holder, so I think that looks pretty cool. Inside, nothing's really changed. Got new mats in, with the Morris motif, just keeps the red carpets nice and clean. And round the back, everything's going fine. I suspect I will need to put polyurethane bushes in the back, also if the front ones have gone, but I'll leave that job for another day. As you can tell from the channel at the minute, I really am doing quite a lot of work to suspension, replacing all the rubber bushes with polyurethane, and just doing little maintenance jobs. Thankfully the Morris Minor's in good health, no other major work needing done. So one more look there at the front suspension. Trying to keep the place as tidy as I can. I have this space all tidied out Thankfully the oil stain came off the floor in the most part. So give you a better view of the car. And this is the stainless steel exhaust for the Land Rover waiting to be fitted. And hopefully this one won't rust, as the other one was supposedly stainless steel, but you can see the last video for more details on that. So there you go, thanks very much for watching. As ever, like the video, comment below, and please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all the work I'm doing. Thanks for watching, goodbye.